Business of food business operators is regulated as they deal with crucial elements of life, that is, food. This regulation is named Food Safety and Standards, Licensing and Registration of Food Business, Regulations 2011. It provides that all FBO need to seek either registration or license from FSSAI to carry out its food business activity. There are 3 categories of enrollment with FSSAI. The process is online for filing renewal applications for food license or registration certification. It is filed in Form A for registration certification or Form B of license. The FBO need to file the below documents while applying for renewal. Number 1. Suppose there is any change in the FBO status, document, information, and activity from the grant of food license until its renewal. In that case, that change-related document and data need to be filed at the time of renewal. Number 2. Certificate or plan of food safety management system being adopted. For units under central licensing, it has to be a certificate from accredited agencies. Number 3. Copy of food license. Number 4. List of employees along with their medical fitness certificates. Number 5. Name and details of technical staff in charge of the operation. Number 6. The license shall continue to be in force till the disposal of the renewal application. Further, the decision on the renewal application is made by the licensing or registration authorities within 30 days of the expiry of the licensor registration certificate. When to apply for renewal of FSSAI registration or license? FBO should make the application to renew FSSAI registration or license granted under these regulations not later than 30 days before the expiry date indicated in the license. An applicant can file a renewal application 120 days in advance. The renewal application filed between 30 days before the license expiry but before the license expires shall be accompanied by a late fee of 100 rupees per day for each day of delay. Consequences on non-renewal of FSSAI registration or license. If the renewal application is not made within the validity period, the license shall expire. In such a situation, the food business operator shall stop all business activity at the food unit. The food business operator shall apply for a new food license or registration if it wants to restart it. Designated officers may order an inspection before renewal if considered necessary for reasons to be recorded in writing. If the food business operator has a valid certificate from an agency accredited by the Food Authority or an accredited food safety auditor or any other organization notified by FSSAI, it does not require inspection. With the use of our easy and transparent renewal process, you can place an online order for the renewal of your FSSAI license. Just call us at 9899 600605 or visit our website www.setindiabiz.com.